Hello guys, this is God's Power as you usually know. So today I want to show you a quick way that you can start using to make up to $52 plus or $100. You just need to watch this full video. Let me show you how you can make $52 or $100 with Fiverr. So just watch the video. And a guy asked me this question. Just look at the question he asked me to pop up right now. This question here, and that is why I'm making the full video of this tutorial. So you need to watch how you can make money with Fiverr from your smartphone. So you can do this from your smartphone. Even if you don't have a computer, you can do this from your smartphone. Just keep on watching. Let me show you how this method works. Click on the link. So when you click on the link in the description, the first link in the description, it will take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. So all you just need to do is to click on start earning, and it will bring you here. You will enter your first name, last name, you enter your Gmail address, username, password, and confirm your password and account type, and you select how you say, do you have a main source of traffic? So if you have a main source of traffic, you can select it here, and your country, your language, and enter your sky. Click on next, and you will complete the registration. So once the registration have been completed, your account will be open and it will be approved automatically. Some affiliate program are not approving you automatically, but this Fiverr affiliate program, they will approve you automatically. And once you have entered all your information, register your account, and they will send you an email. You click on that email and your account will be verified. So once your account has been verified, you have to log into your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. So once you log into your Fiverr affiliate dashboard, then I will show you the rest of this video. So let us move to the next step. So once it brings you here, enter your password and your email to log into your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. So I've entered mine. I will log in. So as you can see so far, I have 100 clicks, and as you can see, those are clicks that I have been receiving from how I'm using to promote Fiverr. So how you can get your Fiverr affiliate link, you have to click on this icon here. So once you click on this icon, how to get your Fiverr affiliate link, this is how you can get it. You click on where you see marketing tools, and you click on all tools. So when you click on all tools here, Fiverr is going to display the links that you can copy and start promoting. Normally, when you land here, you will not see anything. You need to click on show creative. So when you click on show creative, now Fiverr is going to display all the affiliate link that you can start copying and go and start sharing them on social media. Like you can see this this one here. Let me say, for example, I want to promote this one here. All I just need to do, you can see that you can copy the affiliate link. You can see this one here. You can click it. And once you click it, you can copy the affiliate link. But one thing I can see, you can see, because we are using it from our smartphone to access everything, like we want to see all the screen that is showing right now, it's kind of complicated. So how you can fix this thing, click on this icon here, and you click on desktop site, so that it will turn this your browser, web browser, to a desktop site from your smartphone. So that is how you can do that. You just have to click on where it show creative again. So when you click on that, then now it's going to show you, like it will show you on your from your computer dashboard. So as you can see now, you can see all the Fiverr affiliate link that you can copy. So that is how, all you just need to do. You can see the cost per action, the cost per click. So it's on you now to choose which one you want to pick. So let me say, for example, I want to promote Fiverr CPA. I'll just click here and I'll click on CPA. And once I click on CPA here, I bring the console down. I will click on show creative. So it will show me this. So you can see now that is you can see Fiverr CPA, Fiverr CPA, Fiverr CPA. So you can see it here. You see where it says Fiverr CPA. Under brand Fiverr CPA. So all I just need to do is to copy anyone. Let me say I want to paste it as a HTML on my website. I can copy the HTML, but it's just a link we want. So we click on with the section where it say copy URL. We click on that, and the link have just been copied. So this link here that you can see at the top here, it have just been copied. Or you can just put your mouse there, just type in that section, or you click on select all, and you can just copy the link. So now you have your affiliate link you want to start promoting. Then the next thing is how you can promote it. Is very simple. How you can promote it, just follow what you have to do. So how to promote it, I will show you two methods. The first method is you go to Facebook, search for Fiverr group. You can see a bunch of group here, which Facebook group, and you just need to click on like this one where they say Fiverr Boost a Gig Promotion Exchange. Click here. And once you click here, you see that they have is a public group and anyone can post on this group. So you have to join if you have not joined this group. And what you have to do is that you need to give information and details that can help people to improve, like to solve their problem. Like, let me say people who is looking for web designer, you can just put a link saying that they can get web designer from Fiverr and explain more details and give them explanation why they need it and how it can help them. So if you are able to bring out this, like solve people problem in this aspect, you will find out that people will click on that your URL you added as your Fiverr affiliate link, which we copied, and you paste in your link with on top of that content that you have written, saying that okay, this is Fiverr and how you can use Fiverr to solve your problem. Like you want to design a website, you want to create a logo design, you want to edit video, so all those things, you want to create flyers, anything that you feel like you want to talk about, just focus on it and give a brief description about what you are trying to promote or what you are trying to promote to people on this group. So once you are done with that, the first thing what I like doing, I don't recommend that you should just insert your link immediately. The strategy is that you can put in the content, and when they start asking how can I have the link or how, then in the comment section you can go there and send them the link. That is the strategy I'm using to promote Fiverr on Facebook. So I hope you get the idea. And the second way you can promote Fiverr is on Quora. So install Quora app. So once you have installed it, click on open. So once it open, click on this pen icon. So once you click on the pen icon, what you have to do is to start answering the question that people are asking on Quora about how they can, like someone who want to edit video, someone who want to start making money on Fiverr, you know, that is what you can do on Quora. Come to Quora, look at what is relating to the topic of what you are promoting on Fiverr, and that is how you can do it. So to answer any question, let me say this person asked about how to edit video or how to start making money on Fiverr. What I can do is that I will click on this session here, and what I have to do here is to enter a few description and like how to make money online for free with Fiverr, you know, with Fiverr. So this is just for example, and here that I said Fiverr, I will click on that session, I click on this AA icon, I click on this session here, and I will paste in that URL I copy from Quora, from Fiverr. So now you can see now that it's clickable. If anyone click on this Fiverr link, it will take them to Fiverr, and they can go and like join Fiverr or buy something from Fiverr. I will get paid. And like this person say, how can I make $1,000 in 2 months with Fiverr? So how you can use this method is the sub-affiliate on Fiverr. So how this works is that you want to refer people to the affiliate program on Fiverr. So how it will go back again to Fiverr. Let me show you how. Go back again to Fiverr. Come to Fiverr here. So how to get people to direct to the affiliate program of Fiverr. Click on this dot icon. Click on that. You see where it says sub-affiliate. Click on sub-affiliate, and you click on sub-affiliate link. So you copy this link. So anyone that click on this link, it will redirect them to Fiverr affiliate program. It will not redirect them to Fiverr platform directly. It will redirect them to Fiverr affiliate program. So this means that you can still be making money if this person that you refer to Fiverr affiliate program start promoting Fiverr and start making money. So you will be getting 10%. I think it's 10% plus you can make with this method. Let me see how much you'll be making with the sub affiliate link. Let me see. So to see how much you can make, you click on this same icon here. Just click on the same icon, and you click on where you see commission plan. So once you click on commission plan, you can see a sub affiliate, you will make 10% commission. And as you can see, the Fiverr business affiliate, you will make $100 commission. And you can see the CPA Fiverr, which is a cost by product. You can make it depends on the product you buy. That is how you can make money with that. And they have Fiverr hybrid, which is you can make a $10 per each sales you make from a Fiverr hybrid CPA. And you can see where it says Fiverr Learn. You can make 30% from this session in the category of that kind of product. And where you say the area where you say workspace, you can make 50% commission. So this is the payment plan and how much you can make while you are promoting Fiverr. So that is how everything works, guys. And I hope that this tutorial helped those of you who is looking for a way on how you can start making money and how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, all I just want you to do now is to leave me a comment, like this video, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I want to hear your thoughts, what you think about this video. And again, you can watch this video to learn how you can write a blog. Let me say you want to write a blog and you don't know how to do it. This AI content generator will help you. Just watch this video that will pop up right now that will show you step by step how you can write your blog. I will see you on my next video.